Hi, welcome back to Get Plasters. We are on site today and we are doing some plastering in an old place, matching the texture. Come and check it out. Right, so here we are in one of the rooms. So basically, this was textured years ago. As you can see, it's got the texture and it's all very irregular. So you can see it's thick there, it's thin here, it's thin here and it's thick. So I have to try and replicate that because I don't want it looking brand new. So this is a bit I've started on so far. As you can see, it's very irregular. And so before we done that, we done all the drywall mud first, yeah, because you've got to do your joints and everything. So this is basically how I do this. And I can use a hook and trowel, but for this, I'm doing little sections at a time. So let's put some mud on. Over this lovely smooth work. You get it all nice and smooth and then you've got to make it look ugly. Yeah. I'll show you a little section here. They have a secret weapon. The secret weapon. So this is just a piece of old plastic. And basically, give it a slap. And that's how we get the texture.
Huh.
And this is how it was done originally. So usually when I texture walls, I use a machine, and then But the thing is, if using the machine to texture it, it comes out too perfect, and then it won't match the rest of the room. So the idea is, because it's a old building, we want to keep it in character. Okay? And the reason why this had to be redone, these walls, is because they had to seismic upgrade the building. So they had to take off the old plaster, okay? And then, do all the strengthening up in the building for the engineer. So now, I've got to go around and try and make it all look old again. And I basically just do this, see that? Isn't that satisfying, eh? Look at that. Just like that, yeah. And just put more on. And it doesn't have to be perfect, yeah. Don't have to try and get it flat, yeah. And then get the old plastic bag again. Give it a good old slap. I like hand texturing. I actually really enjoy hand texturing. Like that. Blend it like Beckham, as I always say. And so it's like, you can turn this into an orange peel finish as well. Like, for example, you can see it's like that, but if you go, we're not doing this on this job, but I'm going to just show you. See that? Look at the difference. And that's another style that people like. It's like an orange peel. See that? We're not going for that, so let me mess that back up again. Just chuck a little bit of mud on there, and we'll give it a good slap again, just to get back to how we was just getting it. I just wanted to show you what it looks like the orange peel style. I don't like do it all like this. I sort of go all over the place because you want it erratic. We have to keep readjusting the bag. There we go. Look at that. Back to slap again. Like. You can also get a little bit of mud on that thing as well, like that. Just a bit of that. Just like that. This is just a short video of how we can texture. If you like and you enjoy, please subscribe and also comment where you're watching this from. There's a video that you can click on and that will show you how we make crown mouldings. There's lots of other videos we're going to be making as well. This is literally how we get plastered, and this is how my son gets plastered. Like that. Get plastered.